Welcome back to Soft Asia. In this video, I will give overview of analytics in Mialchimp. So let's start. When you click on Analytics tab, you will see Email Dashboard. On Email Dashboard, you can see performance, engagement, and how many email you sent. In performance section, you can check your revenue, average revenue, orders, and click rate. In engagement section, you can check how many people opened the emails, click the link, and subscribe or unsubscribed. After email dashboard, now we explore reports. In reports, you can check status of campaigns. You can also search campaign reports by type. And at the end, we have custom reports. To create custom report, you need to buy a standard plan. I won't be able to create custom report as I am using free version. That's it from this video. Thank you for watching.